If you'd like to see how much weight I lost on the Weight Watcher Blue plan and some tips on how to succeed at Weight Watchers and to keep that motivation up to stay on the plan, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name's Patty. Thanks for stopping by my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I thought I'd go over some ideas or tips that I have for maintaining the self-discipline you need to lose a lot of weight. I know when you have a lot of weight to lose, it can seem daunting at times that you have so much to overcome. So I thought maybe that I would share some ideas that I have so maybe it would help you lose weight, especially if you have to lose a lot of weight. Self-discipline or willpower is a mindset, so you just got to help yourself. When it comes to self-discipline, remember that the goal has to be stronger than the temptation of giving up. So these tips, I hope, will help you stay motivated and give you that willpower or mindset you need to stay on track and make the good choices. So one of the things that I do is to remove temptations so you set yourself up for success. So those foods that you may like a lot, get them out of the house, like snacky foods. Like if I like Cheetos, and if I don't want to eat them, if I have them in the house, they're going to be eaten. If I don't have them there, then I will not be tempted to eat them. So it enables me to stay on track and on plan. So that's an example of removing temptations so you can set yourself up for a successful weight loss. Number 2, I think you should eat regularly, and so you keep yourself fueled and not hungry, so you can maintain your planned food choices and not end up making bad decisions. So eat your breakfast and your lunch and your dinner and keep them filled with protein so that you can feel full and not be tempted to eat things that are bad. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, 3 meals a day, maybe a snack. Plan them out, and that way you will have a plan of attack for your weight loss, and when you have that plan, you'll have motivation to stay on it. A third thing to achieve self-discipline is to create small habits. And maybe when you wake up, take a walk or drink 16 ounces of water before dinner, and do it every day, every time, so that it becomes a habit. And that habit will bring about the self-discipline you need to stay on track. Number 4 for maintaining self-discipline is to create some rewards or treats, so to say. So when you say if you lose 5 pounds, then you will get your nails done, or you will buy a new magazine or something that you want. Just set yourself up something so you have a little reward. You shouldn't really do food rewards, but I know that's popular, but it just gets you, if you're staying on track all week and then you say, oh, I'm going to splurge and have a pizza, sometimes it knocks your weight loss goals down, and then it makes you gain weight instead of lose weight, and then it gets you demotivated. And if you just don't reward yourself with food and will use other things, like maybe a new outfit or something, to create that atmosphere of motivation. Number 5, if you do have a setback, forgive yourself. Don't beat yourself up. All you have to do is get back on track. Every day you have a new set of points, and you can always start over. And if you let those bad days build on one another, I know from experience that you will gain weight, and then it'll set you farther back on the path. So my advice is to, if you have a bad day or one day of treating yourself, just start that next day with your new set of points, and don't beat yourself up over it. Don't just go on from there, and you'll recover and get back on the right path for losing weight. Hope you enjoyed these little tips that have helped me to lose 118 pounds on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan, and I hope they'll help you. So on the scale this week, I lost 1.4 pounds, and that makes a total of 118.8 pounds on the Weight Watcher plan, and it will put me at 62.2 pounds till I hit my goal. So that's what I'm going to work on. It's a new month, this starting in March. In February, I ended up losing 3 pounds. My goal was 7. I only lost 3. Fat Tuesday got to me, and then I had 2 times I went out to eat. I had some ribs, which were not too many points. So I ended up having 2 non-tracking days, and Fat Tuesday kind of blew me off my February goal. And so I only lost 3 pounds, but now it's March. And then in February, I was doing intermittent fasting, only eating 8 hours per day, but I don't really think that helped me. I don't know, maybe it would have, but except for those 3 days. So I don't think I'm going to do that anymore. But I am going to continue on my no eating snacks or for Lent in March, so it's not eating any snacks that are salty or sweet. So that's my plan, like chips or Cheetos or popcorn or any baked. I'm not baking anything this month, so I can not have that temptation there. So my word for March is determination. February's was focus, and March is going to be determination. I'm determined to hit my goals. Comment below if you have any tips for self-discipline and staying on track, staying motivated to lose weight. Some of those tips will help me and help others. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.